Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate and begin using this powerful Adobe Illustrator alternative. When you first launch Inkscape, you'll be greeted by the quick setup window. This is your starting point. Under the Canvas section, you can choose from several options. For this tutorial, I'll select Default. Next, for keyboard, I'm going to choose the Adobe Illustrator preset to match that familiar workflow, but you can pick any option based on your personal preference. Moving to appearance, I'll select the colorful theme to give the interface a vibrant look. The next window is an optional chance to support the Inkscape developers, which is a great way to contribute to this fantastic free software. Now let's head over to Time to Draw. This is where you set up your document. You'll see several tabs: Print, Video, Social, Screen, Shape Builder, Other, and Custom. For this example, I'll click on the Video tab and choose the 1920 by 1080 resolution. Remember, this isn't for creating a video file. It simply sets your canvas to that specific HD size. And there you have it. Your workspace is now ready. You're all set to begin creating. If you found this quick start helpful, please subscribe. More in-depth Inkscape tutorials are on the way. Thanks for watching.